Most people look at the scene of a truck crash and just see a bad car accident.
But at the LaBovick Law Group, we know there's more to it. An overloaded trailer, signs of poor maintenance, or a trucking company pushing its drivers beyond their limits.
If you've been injured in a crash with a big truck, you deserve to know who's responsible.
Call the LaBovick Law Group, your on-the-scene big truck team. We can uncover the true cause of your crash.
And fight for the compensation you deserve.
Don't wait. Dial 8-561-888-8888.